by 5 and 7 by 5. Here denominator are same. Now we will learn about the like fractions of addition. 1 by 5 plus 7 by 5 is equals to 8 by 5. So we just add the numerator. 1 plus 7 equals to 8. That denominator doesn't not plus. 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. And 5 will be the denominator, so it will be not plus 0. So we will divide 5 by 8. 5 divided by 8 is equals to, quotient is 1, numerator is 3 and the divisor is 5. We learn about subtraction of like fraction. Here are example of two example of like fraction. 7 by 8 minus 6 by 8 is equals to 1 by 8. So we subtract the numerator. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Again we get the same denominator, doesn't minus. 7 minus 6 equals to 1 and the denominator will be same, so it will be 1 by 8. So 8 can't divide by 1, so it will be 8 to 1 by 8. Fraction work precisely in same way. In addition we have to plus the numerator and in the subtraction we have to minus the numerator. Hope you understood. Thank you.
If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.